Hello, everyone. Come on in the room. I know this is not my usual time to go live. However, I am here today. So come on in, come on in, come on in. I hope that everyone is doing well. As you come in, do two things for me. If you are not following me here on TikTok, be sure to follow me here. And also be sure to share this live video out. I am coming on at a very unusual time because today, I live in South Carolina. And so we are still in some areas experiencing the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. And so usually I'll be at work, but we are closed because of Helene. And so because of that fact, I decided to go live to showcase new items that are dropping to my website. So I created this Happy Halloween chip bag as well as this breast cancer awareness chip bag. So I am putting them together, and then I have a special announcement as to how you can get these for free. But you have to stay until the end. So as you come in, do me a favor, share this video out. If you're not following me here on TikTok, follow me here on TikTok. So chip bags are in my opinion, one of the fairly easiest party favors to create. And so I have these two chip bags that I designed. And of course, let you know that all of my images, everything I design is always using my created AI art. So this right here is AI art generated. This is a Canva PDF, a Canva template. The bats are Canva freebies that were there. Now this entire image is AI art, and then my breast cancer awareness boxing gloves are also AI art generated. So I am an AI art girl through and through. So today we're putting this chip bag together. Now I know everyone has their own method, and you know what? You find what works best for you. But this is the method that I am using for me. Now, this chip bag has our nutrition facts on the back of it, and I added some that are there just geared towards Halloween. However, when you download the chip bag from me, you can change your facts as needed. So this is how the chip bag looks. I already have my ridges included on my chip bag, so there is no need for me to have to cut anything. It's already done. Now I print my chip bags with a full bleed, meaning I have no white border. You can choose to have a white border. For me, I don't. This is one that has a white border around it. I just choose not to have it because I want to have all of my my full bleed there, have everything be there. So as you can see here, if I were to fold it, I'm going to cut off some of my bats. Because of that, yes, you can trim that as well. So you print how you decide. I have an inkjet printer, which allows me to print borderlessly. Now, if you have your laser printer, you are not able to print without a white border. So that's just an FYI. So for this chip bag, I am not going to be using my glue from O Paperia. I'm using my glue gun, and I'm going to just lightly add my glue to my paper. Just do a light glue line. I know you choose whatever works best for you. Some people like glue, some people don't like glue. But it's like I said, it's your choice, your decision to make because it's your design. You can, this is Claude, I think. You can choose to do double-sided tape as well. And it's going to be kind of clumpy. My glue gun is kind of clogged some. All right, so now I am just going to place this here and then press down, and it's going to adhere. Now, of course, you can choose and opt to do an insert of a clear bag for your chip bags to make it resealable. I am not doing that in this case because for me it's going to be a one and done, but you can have that option as well, okay? So remember, when you do these items, you do what works best for you in your business and what you are doing. I am trying to have a thin line, but my glue gun wants to act up on me. So I am going to do a light, as light as possible on this. I'll pull it back so you can see. As light as possible because one, I do not want clumps, and two, I don't want the glue to go onto the inside of the bag. All right. So I have that glue there. I'm pressing down. All right. And so now I open my bag up. And so I'm going to use my Cheetos to put inside. Of course, you can choose to use whatever chips you want. But this is what I'm doing for this chip bag. I'm going to drop those in there. And then I'm going to simply add more glue to the lip. And then I am going to seal my chip bag closed. All right. And so this is how I seal up my Happy Halloween chip bag, and this is how it looks. All right, this is the front, and then this is the back, and this is our Happy Halloween chip bag right there. All right, so like I said, in my opinion, chip bags are one of the easiest party favors to create because you are simply adding your glue, pressing down, boom, bam, it's stuck, and it is done. Does anyone have any questions about how I put this chip bag together? And this is a Happy Halloween chip bag. This can be used for your child's class, for your home, for neighbor, however you want to. All right, it's not, I have done the hard work for you because I have already designed this within Canva. And it is going to be available as a digital download in Canva. And you can choose to edit your nutrition facts. You can choose to change the font up here or not. It's up to you. But this is available as a commercial download. Any questions? Does anyone have any questions? All right. So this is this chip bag. So next up, I am going to put together my breast cancer awareness chip bag. Typically in the month of October, I do a weekly giveaway in honor of breast cancer awareness. I lost my mother 6 years ago to breast cancer. But this year, I'm doing things differently. I am not going to be doing a weekly giveaway. I do have other things that I will share with you all. I do have a phone screensaver that typically I'm gonna have for free for my followers. But typically what I do for my customers is I have a challenge they have to do or share a post, and they are entered to win a free creation of royal statements each week. But doing things differently this year. Not going to be doing that. Just, I don't know. Want to change things up. So, anyway, adding my glue here. Again, as I said, I want to do a light layer of glue because I don't want the glue to go into the actual inside the chip bag because I want to try and preserve the integrity of the chip bag by doing that. So, I'm adding my glue lightly. There is a way that you can assemble to make them resealable, but this is my version of not doing that. I'm just doing the chip bag where you just glue it together. You pop in your chip bag and people just pull it open. Okay, so I'm gonna drop my Cheetos inside of this. All right. Those are there. Again, I'm going to add some glue at the lip of the chip bag right here to ensure that it stays closed. Add my glue. Add my glue. All right. And then I'm going to just pull it like so to make sure that it is going to be sealed. And then it is done. Okay. And this is my other chip bag done. Now this can be used for, like I said, it can purchase these for an event you may have. If you want to honor some breast cancer survivors that you know of, you can use this for that as well. So these are 2 chip bags that I created in Canva, and they are available. Now, I told you, you had to stick around to learn how you would be able to receive these chip bags. These chip bags are available on my website for free 99. For free 99. So I need someone to comment how, so I can tell you how you can get it for free. Someone comment how, so I can tell you how to get these chip bags for free. Give me a comment so I can tell you how. And also, please be sure to follow me here on Facebook. I'm sorry, Lord, on TikTok to be aware of when I go live next time, and share this video out as well. So, in order to get these chip bags for free, all you have to do is this. First of all, go to my website, which is royalstatements.com. And then simply type in the search, type in Halloween chip bag, or type in breast cancer awareness chip bag, or go to my collection that is entitled Digital Downloads. Add one or both to your cart. And for this Halloween chip bag, you have to enter in the keywords BOO, B-O-O. And it is free, automatically free. For the breast cancer awareness chip bag, you have to enter in the word awareness, and it is free, absolutely free. Now, the catch is this. I only have 15 of each available for free. If you're purchasing after the first 15 of each has been made, then it is going to be $3.99. And remember, these are commercial free, meaning you can use these, you can purchase, download, add your logo to the back, add your QR code, whatever you want to do, and you can sell these, okay? So again, each of these are available. You have the option to get both or one, but you have to enter in the code word to get it for free. They're only free for the first 15 people. 15 of these, 15 of these. Once that's done, it's done. However, you can still purchase for the pricing of $3.99, and they are both commercial usage. So, head to my website, royalstatements.com, download your items, and then be ready to sell, gift, or whatever you want to do. So thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for joining. I may go live again this afternoon, so be sure to follow me here on TikTok so you'll know when I go live again. But grab your downloads for free. Happy Halloween. Happy Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Women, make sure you get your exams done. And you all take care. Bye-bye.